For this video, I will talk about the concept of fractions and its application. I will specifically talk about these ideas through a pizza party example. But first, let's talk about definitions. The word fraction comes from the Latin word fractus, which means broken. This represents a part of a whole, or more generally, a number of equal parts. Now, when spoken in everyday English, a fraction describes how many parts of a certain size there are. For example, 1/2, 8/5, 3/4. So here's the pizza party scenario. Eddie will have 3 of his friends over to eat pizza. He will order pizza from Post Office Pies, and each pizza will have 6 slices. So if Eddie and each of his friends eat 4 slices of pizza, how much pizza will they eat? So let's start off by focusing on Eddie. Now remember, Eddie will be eating 4 slices of pizza. Now remember, he's not the only one eating food. He and his 3 friends will have 4 slices each. So if Eddie is eating 4 slices out of 6 total, that means friend number 1 is eating 4 slices out of 6 total. That means friend number 2 is eating 4 slices out of 6 total. And that also means friend number 3 is eating 4 slices out of 6 total. So how much pizza did they eat? Let's add it up. And don't forget, Eddie is also eating 4 slices of pizza. So if I add all of my fractions, that should give me a total of 16 slices over 6 total. So the numerator 16 represents the part, and the denominator of 6 represents the whole. And this leads to a very interesting question. So how many pizzas does Eddie have to buy? And how much will he have left over? So let's take a deeper dive into what we discussed. So this may be the easiest part to figure. We know that 16 slices of pizza was eaten. So how many pizzas does that represent? So now what I have showing is 16 slices of pizza. So I just took 6 slices and I'm gonna make a whole pizza from those 6 slices. So here's my whole pizza. Now I'm gonna get 6 more slices and make another whole pizza. So now I have another whole pizza. And as you can see, I have 4 more pieces left. So I'm going to go ahead and arrange those. And for this one, I wasn't able to get a whole pizza. I now have a fraction of a pizza. Eddie and his friends ate 2 4/6 pizzas. So this means Eddie must buy 3 whole pizzas. So how much pizza will Eddie have left over? So before I get to showing you how this works using the pizzas that we're looking at, this is what the expression will look like numerically. So this is what it's asking us to do. It's asking us to take those 3 pizzas and take away 2 4/6 pizzas. Now that may look a little overwhelming or that might be scary to some, but if we just think about what we've already learned up until this point, you'll see that it's actually a very easy question to answer. So I'm going to begin with taking away 4 slices for Eddie. All right, so Eddie's slices are now gone. I'm going to take away another 4 slices for the first friend. Now their slices are gone. Let's subtract another 4 slices for friend number 2. Their slices are gone. And let's subtract another 4 slices for friend number 3. And their slices are gone. So as you can see, I'm only left with 2 slices out of a whole pizza. Eddie will have 2 6 pizzas left over. So this is very important. If you were able to figure out that Eddie will have 2 slices left, you are correct. However, we have to think about this in terms of a fraction, which means he will have 2 6 pizzas left over. I hope this video helped, and I will see you all soon.